I am going to the store to buy some groceries.
I'm heading to the store to grab some groceries.
He is going to the party tonight.
He's heading to the party tonight.
We will meet at the restaurant at 7 p.m.
We'll meet at the restaurant at 7.
She has finished her homework.
She's done with her homework.
They are going to visit their grandparents next weekend.
They're gonna visit their grandparents next weekend.
I am going to take a shower before bed.
I'm gonna take a shower before bed.
We have to leave early in the morning.
We gotta leave early in the morning.
He will not be able to attend the meeting.
He won't be able to make the meeting.
She has not finished her assignment yet.
She hasn't finished her assignment yet.
I am going to call my friend later.
I'm gonna give my friend a call later.
They have decided to go on vacation next month.
They've decided to go on vacation next month.
We are not going to the movies tonight.
We ain't going to the movies tonight.
She is going to study for her exam all night.
She's gonna hit the books all night for her exam.
He has been working on the project for 2 weeks.
He's been busting his chops on the project for 2 weeks.
They will be arriving at the airport around 9 p.m.
They'll be rolling into the airport around 9 p.m.
I am not going to let you down.
I ain't gonna let you down.
She has not seen the movie yet.
She hasn't caught the movie yet.
I am going to buy some snacks for the party.
I'm gonna grab some snacks for the party.
We have to finish the project by the end of the week.
We gotta wrap up the project by the end of the week.
He is going to pick up his sister from school.
He's gonna swing by and grab his sister from school.
They have not seen each other in a long time.
They haven't caught up in ages.
She is going to get some rest after a long day.
She's gonna crash and catch some Z's after a long day.
I am going to attend the concert with my friends.
I'm hitting up the concert with my crew.
They are going to celebrate their anniversary next week.
They're gonna mark their anniversary next week.
I have not finished reading the book yet.
I haven't plowed through the book yet.
She is going to cook dinner for her family.
She's whipping up dinner for the fam.
We have to clean the house before the guests arrive.
We gotta tidy up the house before the guests roll in.
He is going to give a presentation at the conference.
He's gonna rock a presentation at the conference.
They have to finish their homework before bedtime.
They gotta wrap up their homework before hitting the sack.
I am going to meet Sarah at the cafe for coffee.
I'm meeting up with Sarah at the cafe for a brew.
We have not seen our cousins in years.
We haven't hung out with our cousins in eons.
She is going to buy a new dress for the party.
She's snagging a new dress for the shindig.
I am going to work on my project all weekend.
I'm gonna grind on my project all weekend.